Hey Terra-Core tribe, my name is Allison and I'm a certified fitness trainer. Today we're doing a 10-minute beginner HIIT session. This is going to be a body weight focused workout, so all you need is your Terra-Core. We're going to focus on your balance, strength, and stabilization. The workout will compose of 2 blocks containing 3 exercises each. We'll do each one for 30 seconds with a short 20-second break in between sets and repeat it 2 times. So grab your Terra-Core and some water and let's get started. Here are your first 3 exercises in the first block. The first exercise is knee repeaters. We're going to go ahead and step the inside foot right in the center of that dome and then drive the opposite knee up to the chest, keeping the abs tight and the back straight. The second exercise is tic-tac lunges. Facing your Terra-Core, you're going to step forward for a front lunge, push off with that heel, step together, reverse lunge on the floor, and then repeat on the other side. Step, tap, reverse. Again, working on that unsteady surface, your front foot's going to feel a little bit shaky, but that's okay. Focus on the stabilization and the balance. The third exercise is helicopters. For this move, we step with the inside leg, go over the top, swing the other leg behind, and step down. You can keep this low with no hop and the arms down, or if you'd like to bring it up a notch, add a big arm swing, small hop. Okay, let's get ready for that first exercise, the knee repeaters. Choose a side to begin with. Remember, your inside foot's going to land right in the dome, and we're going to drive that opposite knee all the way up to the chest and down. Be careful of your balance, focus on the good form, and make sure that foot stays centered. Ready, set, and begin. Pull in and out. Keep the abs tight and the back straight. I like to pump my arms for these, but if you like to keep your arms down, that's fine as well. Your base foot, make sure that knee is soft. Entire foot's in a neutral position on top of that dome. Remember, we'll burn more calories using the Terra-Core than we would if we were doing this on a flat bench or on the floor. You're doing great. Starting to feel that inside leg burn a little bit more. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Keep moving right in between sets, those 20 seconds. The next one is going to be tic-tac lunges. So when you're ready, we're going to face the Terra-Core. Start with one leg, step in the center, front lunge, step back, reverse lunge, and then other side. Get ready, set, and begin. Step, push off, reverse lunge, other way. Step right in the center and back. Even though this one's slow, it's going to test the balance. So focus on the movement. Make sure that foot lands right in the center of that dome. Step, push off, and back. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. Good. Keep that good form, standing nice and tall. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, keep marching it out. I like to keep moving between the exercises to keep that heart rate up. Third exercise, helicopters. We're swinging that outside leg behind, stepping down to the ground, and then coming back. Again, make sure that foot lands right in the center of that Terra-Core. Ready, set, and begin. Up and over the top. So here it is with no hop. And if you'd like to, bring it up a notch, add a small lift. Land with soft feet to soft knees. The great thing about this dome is that your foot stays in a neutral position and it's easier on the knee joints. You've got it. Breathe. Whew, lift. Good. We're almost there. Finishing up this first round in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Grab a quick drink if you need to, and then 20 seconds, we're going from the top. So back to those knee repeaters. Whew. Okay, we're on the other side for the repeater knees. Again, inside foot stays on. Drive the opposite knee up and down. Get ready, set, and let's begin. Pull the knee all the way to the chest. Standing tall, abs tight. Again, arms or no arms, it's up to you. Keep that inside foot in a neutral position on top of the Terra-Core. Whew, breathe. Heart rate's coming way back up here. You're doing awesome. Keep it up, keep it up. Doing so good. Watch that balance. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Whew, keep it moving. We have those tic-tac lunges. Other leg is gonna lead if you like to, if you wanna do alternating. So inside foot starts on top, Push back, same leg reverse, and then repeat on the other side. All right, so have that foot land in the center of the dome. Ready? And begin. Step forward, tap, reverse, other side. Step, and reverse. Good, core is tight, shoulders back, chest lifted. Balance and strength. Good. Drive through that heel on the dome. Push back, set yourself up for that reverse lunge. You're doing great, almost done. Step and back. 3, 2, 1, and stop. We're finishing strong with helicopters. Take some deep breaths into the nose, exhale through the mouth. Do it again. Okay, you got this. When you're ready, helicopters, leg swings behind. In 3, 2, 1, let's start. Hop or no hop, it's your option. Land with soft feet, soft knees. Foot stays in a nice neutral position. Knees are protected on the Terra-Core. Yes, stay strong. Good, big reach with those arms if you're using it. Okay, if you're not feeling that, you stay low, same leg position, no bouncer arms. Woo. Come on, you're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice work. Grab a drink. Here are your exercises for the second block. Kicking it off is glute bridges. Taking a seat a few inches in front of the Terra-Core, you're going to lean back, making sure your neck and shoulders are supported on the dome. The way that the dome is curved, it's going to keep you in a nice neutral alignment, so there shouldn't be any strain on your shoulders or neck. We're going to go ahead and drop those hips down, and then exhale, lift up, squeezing the glutes on top, keeping the abs tight. Inhale, drop, exhale, lift. You should feel this in your entire core and your glutes. For the second exercise, we're doing a set of crunches on top of the Terra-Core. Take a seat on the edge, and nice and easy, you're going to lean all the way back, making sure your neck, shoulders, and your entire back and hips are supported on top of the Terra-Core. So go ahead and lean back, and it should feel pretty comfortable. Again, because of that dome, it's going to be a little bit more, keep your spine and neck in a neutral position, just like before. So feet are down, hands like behind the head, abs are tight. Inhale, exhale, crunch up, and lower. You want to make sure that you're not pulling on your neck on this exercise, and keep your gaze looking upward. Lift, and then lower down. For the third exercise, let's take that Terra-Core and flip it over dome side down for mountain climbers. Underneath the Terra-Core, we have these nice handles, and these handles are going to keep your wrists in alignment, so there shouldn't be any pressure there. And when we're in a high plank, make sure your elbows stay soft as well. So engage in the core, go into a high plank, and we're nice and slowly, we're driving the knees all the way up to the chest and back down. Let's get into position for those glute bridges. Take a seat right in front of the floor, in front of your Terra-Core, lean back. Remember, your neck and shoulders are supported, hands wherever comfortable. In 3, 2, 1, let's drop down and up. Inhale, exhale, press to the heels, squeeze those glutes on top. Keeping those abs nice and tight. And again, your spine and neck should feel nice and comfortable on that dome, since it naturally curves with the way that you are. Inhale, exhale, lift. Breathe. The more that you can squeeze those glutes on top, the more it's gonna work. You got it. Inhale, exhale, press up. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Let's go into crunches. Taking a seat, right on the edge of that dome. Nice and easy, lean back, making sure your head, neck, and shoulders are supported. Hands light behind the head, look up at that ceiling. Feet are staying on the ground the whole time. Ready, set, and let's crunch. Exhale, lift up, inhale down. Think about pulling that belly button to spine and lift high enough just until those shoulder blades are off the dome. Good. This should feel pretty good on your back. Remember to breathe. You got it. Remember, we're having more muscle recruitment doing these crunches on the dome compared to just flat on the floor. Lift and down. Almost done. Great job. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice and easy. Bring it up, and let's go ahead and flip that Terra-Core over, dome side down. We have the slow mountain climbers next. So keeping your wrists in a nice neutral position, we're going to use those handles. And when you're ready, go into that high plank position, abs tight, and let's start. Bring the knees all the way up to the chest and back. Your goal is to keep that Terra-Core nice and steady. Wrists are straight, abs are tight, squeeze the glutes, and breathe. Whew. You're doing so great. Keep it going strong. You're almost done with this first round. Good, stay nice and steady. You're burning so many calories right now. Finish in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. We're back to the top. Back to those glute bridges. Take that seat on the floor. Nice and easy, lean back. Neck, shoulders supported, feet are down. All right, when you're ready, set, and drop the hips down and up. Inhale, exhale, squeeze on top. Good, pressing through those heels, spine or neck in a neutral position, and you're looking up to your ceiling. Good, inhale, exhale, lift. This is a great full core workout. Also squeezing those glutes. Good, you got it. Breathe. Let's finish these last sets super strong. Whew. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Let's get in position for crunches. Take a seat on the edge of that Terra-Core, and when you're ready, nice and easy, lean back. Again, neck, shoulders, lower back supported, hips are supported, hands behind the head, look at the ceiling, and let's crunch. Curl up and down. Good, squeeze. Think about pulling that belly button to spine and keep it tight from start to finish. Good. Lift and lower. Your body staying nice and centered on top of that dome. Whew. Make sure not to pull in the neck. Elbows stay back in your peripheral vision. You got it. Inhale, exhale. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Final set, mountain climbers. All right, let's go ahead and flip that Terra-Core over. Last exercise, mountain climbers. We're gonna have it dome side down, hands on the handles. Remember, this is gonna keep your wrists in a nice neutral position. When you're ready, take a breath, and then assume a high plank position. Abs are tight, and let's begin. Knees up to the chest and back, and breathe. Make sure your elbows never completely lock out either. Keep them soft, and keep that Terra-Core nice and steady. Compared to doing this on the ground, we have a lot more muscle recruitment, makes it more a dynamic exercise, and we're burning more calories. Yes, finish strong. Whew. You got it, you're almost there. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. You did it, great job. If you like to do a nice child's pose to stretch, take some breaths in and out. You did it. Awesome work today. Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.